where I'm living. Make me feel alive, oh yeah. Tell me I'm a side, baby. Where would I be without your love? Set me on.
Guys, it's been over a week and my nails still will not come off. So I'm just, again, calling myself out for the 100th time. But today I'm working with YGwigs and I am obsessed with this unit. It is so bomb. I'm not going to lie to you. When I took it out of the bag, I was like, this ain't going to be it. Because you guys, I showed you guys the coloring in the last clip. And it just looked kind of like splotchy. Like it just wasn't going to slay and lay. But it did just that. So this wig required minimal effort. I feel like most times when you get like blonde wigs or a custom color, you have to adjust them. The only things I did to this wig was bleach the knots, because this is, I believe, a 613 wig that they rooted, meaning that they colored the roots, so it ended up re-dyeing the knot, so I had to bleach the knots. And I tinted the lace because the lace was like a lighter color, so you guys can see it's like blending into my skin tone. And I was just really excited because it just looks so good. It has the two little blonde pieces in the front. It just is a win-win for me. So I'm just applying my wig as usual. I really took my time mentally, but when I looked at the clock, it only took me 30 minutes to install my wig. Literally, in 15 minutes to 15 minutes to curl my hair. Like, this was a super easy wig install, you guys. Super easy, and it looked really good. I think this is one of the best wigs that I've worn in a second. It could be because I haven't had such a bold color in a while. I've been wanting to do blonde, and it's just been like, a struggle getting blonde. We talked about this before, but it's summertime. It's time for some color. So I do have a lot of blonde units to show you guys coming up, because I want to give you guys options as far as styling, different shades of blonde, different lengths, all that kind of stuff. So be on the lookout for that, because it's summertime. It's time for fun color. We're tired of the black hair. I just feel like blonde really suits me. Like, I love blonde hair. I absolutely love it. So I was really excited that this unit ended up looking as good as it did. One thing I will say is you guys are going to notice that I kept looking off to the side, because I was like, this lace is going to be too light. I'm going to look freaking crazy. But I actually ended up looking like the lace looked really good. So all I did after applying the lace and cutting it and stuff, I applied powder on top to help that melt even more. That's the only thing. So that is going to vary depending on your skin tone and how you tint your lace and what products you use, but that was personally my experience. Other than that, the hair, you guys, the hair was super soft. It was a perfect density. I believe it was 150, but that's another thing. I feel like whenever I get colored wigs, they are super thin. They think that color makes up for the fullness. No, baby, I want fullness and I want color. But this wig was like the perfect density. I was really impressed. Like, this is a wig that I think everybody needs to just go ahead, pause the video, go to the description box, and buy the wig. I'm telling you guys, pre-colored wigs are the wave, especially if you're somebody on a budget. If you don't have a reliable stylist or somebody that you think can accomplish certain colors for you, I truly believe that pre-colored units are the way to go. Yes, they are going to be a little bit pricier. I am not going to lie to you guys. I'm not 100% sure the price on this, but again, it will be listed below. But it ends up being cheaper than you having to buy a wig or buy bundles in a frontal and then find somebody to color it. And guess what? They may do it right and they may not. So I would just say go ahead and purchase a unit if you're trying to save a little bit of coin, okay? But I do got somebody for you who could color. That's coming up soon, you guys. I'm super excited. I'm just gonna have more fun with the hair. I feel like hair is something that can get very repetitive and boring, but again, I can't think like that because that's with anything. If I do makeup, it can get repetitive. If I do clothes, anything gets repetitive, especially at a time like this when this is all I'm doing. So I'm trying to make it more fun, give more options, try different looks. I'm not afraid of color. I'm not afraid of length. I'm not afraid of anything when it comes to makeup or hair. Of course I have my preferences, but it's all, you can wash makeup off, you can take a wig off. It's not that deep. So if you're like scared to go blonde, you guys, don't be. Go for it, try it. it's temporary. And also another thing with wigs like this, if you get it and you feel like the shade of blonde just is not for you, you can always put a color over it, whether it be a different shade of blonde, whether it be a red, a blue, a purple. It's so much easier than buying hair and trying to bleach it and being stressed out. I'm telling you, pre-colored units are very versatile and they are a lot easier. Okay, trust me. Trust the lazy girl who changes her wig multiple times a week. Okay, I'm telling you. So now I'm just going ahead and parting the wig and styling it. I just decided to do some like beachy curls. I curled it with my curling wand, and do you see the scalp that it's giving, you guys? Do you see the scalp that it is giving? But I just went ahead and did some curls, like beachy curls, and I left the ends straight. I felt like this deserved that kind of look, and I honestly never have successfully done that hairstyle until today. Like literally, my best friend used to curl my hair like that, but I haven't seen my best friend in a while, so I just had to figure it out. That's what I had to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you guys check out YGwigs. Also, make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel and liking these videos, because your girl is trying to switch it up a little bit, okay? She's trying to give you guys some fun stuff, some fun ideas, so that when we are officially back outside, or if you want to slay from in the house, you guys have videos to refer to and looks to come back to, because I think I switch it up a lot, you know? I have nothing else to do. But anyways, enough of me rambling. Enjoy the rest of the video, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Like
get led by the pop. Hey, see, yeah.